guys, welcome to our channel Techqflow Software Solutions. So I got lot of queries on how many types of applications do we have. What is the query? How many type of application do we have? See, so before you are coming into the IT sector, first you need to understand how many types of applications do we have. Please, you should understand. You should know about these applications. See, we have four types of the applications. We have four types of the applications do we have. Applications. First one is web application. First one is web application. Second one is Windows application. Windows application. Third one is mobile application. Fourth one is standalone application. Fourth one is standalone application. You know, so what is the meaning of web application, Windows application, mobile application and standalone application? You know, last 15 years back, every member should use the Windows application. Okay, every member should use the Windows application. Why? So you know, last 15 years onwards, in our home we have the one CPU and window monitor we have, right? That is called as a window based applications. So everyone, last 15 years onwards we didn't use the laptop. Recently last 5-6 onwards only we are using the laptops, right? So last 15 years onwards, what the people are using? The people are using the window based application. Means we have, you know, window based applications means whatever we are using in the CPU monitor, we have the type of the setup, right? That is called as a window based application. So whenever developer work on the window based application, whenever developer will work on the window based application, after completion of the work, they people are sent to the .exe file. Which file they people are sending? .exe file. Which file they people are sending? .exe file. You know, so we are using Facebook application, right? We are using Facebook application. This Facebook application we are using in the desktop application. This Facebook application we are using in the desktop. Okay, at the time we can call as that application we can call as a window based application. Facebook we have in Windows, Facebook we have in web, Facebook we have in the mobile application. Yeah, present window version is 11. Okay, see, so nowadays everyone is using the laptop, right? The Facebook application we are using in the laptop also, right? So we are using the laptop, we are using the Facebook application in the laptop, right? How we are using? Whenever developer will work on the web application, developer will share the URL, developer will share the production URL. Okay, see, what is the URL of the Facebook? See, https www.facebook.com. Facebook.com. This is the production URL developer will provide to us, right? We are working on the web-based application. Coming to mobile application, we have mobile application is the two types. Mobile application is two types. What are two types? One is Android application. Second one is iPhone application. Android application and second one is iPhone application. Whenever developer will work on the Android application, developer will share .apk file. Which one developer will share? .apk file. So present, how we will use Facebook in the mobile? We are going to Play Store, we are selecting the Facebook, we are downloading and we are using. Without Play Store, how we will download the Facebook application? Without Play Store. So we are going to the Chrome browser and we are entering the facebook.apk file and we are downloading. So present Android version is 12. So next we have the application iPhone application also. So Facebook application we are using in iPhone also. So whenever developer will work on the iPhone application, developer will share the .ipa file. .ipa file. Present iPhone version is 16.4. See, second application is we are completed with the web application, we are completed with the Windows application, we are completed with the mobile application. Now we are discussing about the standalone application. What is the standalone application? You know, so standalone application is not required the internet connection. Not required the internet connection. Internet connection. Without internet, we are using the standalone application. For example, Excel, Notepad, WordPad. Okay, these are the present applications. We have the four types of applications in the market. Okay, so all people are working, most of people are working on web application and mobile application. These two are these two are in the trending. Okay, so if you have any queries, please ask in the channel. And so next topic is I will come with a new topic. Okay, thanks for this session. Thank you so much. Bye.